Okay, so welcome back again. Now in this video, we take a little bit deep more into looking at the SeaArt text-to-image generator. Now you have two options. One is to generate the image in the Discord server, which here you can see people generating image in the Discord server. You can just simply, if you have been using Midjourney, you just follow the same step. You can hit the / and then you select the imagine, and then you type in your text prompt here and then hit enter to generate, just like in Midjourney. Upscale 1, upscale 2, which is upscale 1 repair to this one, upscale 2 this one, 3 and 4 here. So here you can see I have already generate this image here. So you can also generate the variation of each of these version here, and also you can regenerate the prompt again. But I prepared the website because it's some more advanced feature that is not in the Discord server. So let's jump into the website and check it out. So here in the website, you can see this is where we generate the image from here. And you can see over this side here, this is where you have the mode. So this is the latest mode for SeaArt, with the SeaArt version 6. And you also have the default and minimalist here. And you also have the different models here to choose from. These are the default models that is available here, but you can see choose more here. Once you click this one, you can choose other models that also are available here, or which is you recently using them will be appearing here, or you can explore more to choose different models from here. So once you selecting one of them, you click on it and you can see it's up here. Now you have to also have the option of using LoRa here. So LoRa have different models here that you can also use to mix with the default model that you just selected. So I just go with this one here. And then once we have that, you have the option of the weight. You can crank it up or crank it down. And then you have the basic settings here, the width and the height here. And you also have some advanced configuration here. If you don't want some negative prompt that you don't want it to be on your image, you can type them here. And that is not all. You look up here on the left side, you can see text to image, which is typing a text and generate the image. You also have the image to image. All you have to do is simply upload your image here. So let's upload an image to here so we can generate that. Okay, so here I have an image that I generate using another text to image generator. The good thing is once you upload it here, you can see the intelligent analysis. It's look at your image and analyzes and put down the text or what describing your image down here. That's something you don't find it in other text to image generator. So once you have this, now you can click on the generate button to send it into your channel so that you can generate the image there. Okay, so that's about image to image there. You also have the control net. You have different settings here, the Kenny, the open post pool, and then linear, and these are different ones that you can choose from. So once we select one of them, for example, we are choosing Kenny, you can choose the model also from here. So let's select the Dream Safer, and then let's select the LoRa. Let's select this one again, and the type is Kenny here. So you can, we see we're already selecting this one, the preprocessor, and these are things the same as settings as we have looked at that. And now we just need to put in our image in here to generate that. Okay, so I just dropped this image in here, which I generated using Leonardo AI, and this is control net again with the intelligent analysis. It analyzes the image and describes the type of image that you have, the color and everything. You can see a close-up of a woman in a blue outfit and sunglasses with this one here, realistic fantasy render, looking at the image and analyzes that. So once you have that, you can click on send to send to your channel to generate the image. So you can see with the image to image, this is the image that we have generated from the image that we put input. So depending on the settings, sometimes you have the same image, sometimes you have a little bit of variation in your image. But this one, you can see we all have the same image here. And then looking at some of the tools here, you can see the upscale here. If you want to upscale your image, you can drop it in here to upscale it. And you also have to describe your image here as well, to describe what image are you having. For example, if we just upload this image here, and then let's submit it to describe in here. You also have the prompt studio, which is one of my favorite. You don't see this in any other text to image generator, only here in SeaArt, which makes SeaArt a kind of totally different from any other text to image generator that I have been using. So with that said, let's delete all of this here. Let's delete all of this here. And let's clear that. So you can see here with the prompt studio, all you have to do is choose the quality that you want to apply to your image. So you can see, let's ultra HD here. We want masterpiece. We want super detail, high res, high quality, award-winning, best quality. So these are different description that you want the image to be, or the quality of your image to look like. And then you have the painting here, a different type of style of painting that you can choose to apply to your image. Some of them contain some artists or some of the things that describe the type of image. You also have the effects here, and you have the appearance here. With the hair, you can choose the type of hair that you want your image to look like. So let's choose a brown hair, something like that. And once we click that, you can see normal quality, and then you can see the output. Now we didn't type in any prompt here yet. And then you have the composition here and prompt. These are different composition that you can choose from. And the angle here, psi, heading, vanishing point, and different types of angle that you can choose from here if you want to. Okay, let's just choose atmosphere here, and then the last one is the camera angle. So overexposure, bokeh, different ones here. So I just want to have the eye level shot here, and then the focal length is f1 on 2, and then we also have the f2.8 here. Now let's just type in our prompt here, and then it will give us the output. Okay, so instead of typing, I just copy a prompt in here, and you can see using all the information that we provided, and it's creating an output for us. So here we can simply copy this to go to another image generator, or you can simply click generate to generate right inside SeaArt here. Okay, so you can see another of our image that we sent it for control net is already done, and you can see the high quality of the image that comes out from SeaArt here. Now you can also upscale from here. You can see creating upscale. You can also create the variations. And here upscale HD image, which bring you to adjust your parameters so that you can upscale this one again. So we use the describe here, and you can see this is our image now. Okay, so our image is done, which we use the prompt studio to prompt it up, the prompt, and here we have the image that we just did. The first one here, look at the detail here. Because we use the LoRa, it kind of gives us a dark image like this. So some of the images may not be generating the kind of image you want, but you can always delete it, and you can also save this image. Now again, to save the image, simply right click and save your image down here. Okay, so this is a very important thing. Again, one of the best text to image generators I can see. It's more towards Midjourney style, and also Leonardo style. So come again and have a look at SeaArt, because it may be one of the best text to image generator so far. Thank you again for watching. See you back again in another video.